I'm so excited. All 4 of the rooted rose cuttings that I did last year and planted, and I have lots of videos on them. I can link those down below. They all took. And we're in April. I live in Utah. I'm up against these Wasatch Mountains. I'm Jane, and we're gonna go around the yard and look at them, and it's so exciting. Come along. So this is my home, and that is my glorious view behind my house. Aren't I a lucky ducky? So we have 1 rose cutting in that bed, 2 rose cuttings in that bed, and 1 by the road back there. Let's go look. The first rose cutting is in this bed right here. Wouldn't it be nice if I labeled things better? But you know, I was just having so much fun this year. Okay, without my shadow, let's see if I can get my shadow out of the way. Okay, we're gonna zoom on in. Do you see it? It came back. Isn't that wonderful? It came back, it's rooted and wonderful. There's 1. All right, let's go find the next 2 in that bed over there. Okay, the 2 rose cuttings are in this bed. I was calling it the heart-shaped, but now it's more like an L because I keep adding on to it. So there's nothing on that side. The other 2 are over here, kind of in the shade. So if you watched my videos before, you saw me put these in. All right, let me think where I put them again. Right here. Next to a gopher mound. Go away, gopher. Look, 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 look. My rose cutting came back. And look, if I pull on it, what's funny about this one is look how thin the rose cutting is. I pull, it's rooted in over the winter. The next one was over here in front of the peony bush. Okay, let's see. This one is rooted in. Look how beautiful. That's a rose cutting. It was practically yeah, pulling really good, rooted wonderfully. Oh, I don't remember what I was saying. Beautiful. Okay, the last one is in that bed. So I did 1,000,000 rose cuttings. I don't have success all the time, you know, but I did have success, and it was very exciting to me. So if you have success with rose cuttings, give me your advice. I'm just going to keep going. Another gopher mound. Look, I think that gopher took down my rose. You see how dead that rose looks? Oh, you stupid gopher. It ate the roots. It killed a rose I put in. I think it was last year, so it wasn't one of these big guys. Oh, frustrating. Okay, so lots of weeding that I need to do. Let me see where I put this one. I might have to think about where I put it. Oh, where did I put this guy? All right, be right back. I had to watch my video real quick to see where the 4th one was, but guess what? I found it. Come along. 4th one is right here. And it looks like it needs some fertilizer. It's stuck in there. Oh, so exciting. Yay! So the 4 rooted rose cuttings that I put in last October, I planted them in. I was nervous. It was my first time doing that. All 4 came back, and they are beautiful. I might fertilize them and water them really well just because I want to love them. And guess what it makes me want to do? Propagate more roses. So if you have tips on how you get your roses to root and have even better success than I do, leave me some comments on how you get your roses to root. This year I'm going to up my game a little bit. I'm going to use Clonex. I'm going to buy a humidity dome that's a little bit taller instead of using an old, you know, one of those plastic containers, Rubbermaid containers. So I'm actually going to buy a propagator. So that'll up my game, and then I'm going to use Clonex because I think that has a better probability. But I think I'm figuring it out a lot better than I was. So thank you for coming along with me on my journey that made me so excited that I got those planted and they worked and they overwintered and they came back. See you later. Bye.